everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your own music or sound to TikTok video. So without any further ado, let's get started. The easiest way is to play the sound or music out loud while you're recording your TikTok video. Start playing the track you'd like out loud, then begin recording the video. Don't add any sound from your TikTok's library and you'll be able to keep original sound recorded with your video. The other option is to use a video editing app. Download the InShot Video Editor app. Record a video using your device's camera app. Then open InShot and select the video you want to edit. To add music to your video, tap the music note icon in the bottom menu. Now tap on music. Here you can choose a song from InShot's library or select one you have stored in your device. Tap a song to preview it. In order to add it to your video, tap Use. To adjust the part of the song that will play on your video, tap the purple track, then select Edit. Here, move the left marker to the point where you'd like the music to start and the right one to where you want it to end. Tap the check mark to save. Then, to mute the original audio of the video you're editing, tap the video track, then slide the volume down to 0. Tap the play button to preview your video. And if you're happy with it, tap the check mark. To save your video, tap the save button in the top right corner. Then click on Save option. The video will automatically be saved to your device's camera roll. You can then open TikTok and upload the video from your device. Now you can post the video as you normally would. And that is how you can add your own music or sound to TikTok video. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.